Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Porsche 911 Carrera. This two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter H6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Porsche is a great value with less than 29,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.